The touchscreen is your control panel for accessing functions, features, and apps in the Model S. In this video, we'll cover all options within the settings section of your Tesla. To access settings, touch Controls on the lower left corner of the touchscreen, and then the Settings tab at the top. Within this menu, you can adjust settings for apps, driver profiles, units and formats, vehicle, safety and security, displays, HomeLink, and driver assistance. In the lower left corner, you'll find the manual for your vehicle. Touch to load and browse. Within the app setting, you can adjust settings for installed apps. Apps which are grayed out have no settings that can be adjusted at this time. Driver profiles allow you to manage preferences for multiple drivers. Enter a name and touch Create Profile to save your seat, wheel, and mirror settings under your name. Driver profiles can also be accessed and adjusted via the driver profile icon at the top of the screen. Units and formats allow you to modify distance, time, temperature, and charging formats based on your preference or region. Vehicle settings allows you to modify the door unlock mode. Turn child lock protection on or off. Walk-away door lock enables automatic locking of your doors when you walk away from the vehicle with the key. Auto present enables your door handles to automatically present when you walk up to the vehicle with the key. Unlock on park unlocks the doors once park is initiated. Lights enables the headlights to stay on momentarily after you exit the vehicle. Mirror auto tilt enables the exterior mirrors to tilt downward when reversing. Mirror auto fold, when enabled, folds exterior mirrors when you lock and leave your vehicle. They extend automatically when you return to your vehicle. Smart preconditioning, when enabled, predicts your driving schedule and automatically adjusts the temperature of the cabin based on your last set temperature and your driving schedule. The ionizer, when enabled, freshens air in the cabin. Safety and security settings allow you to enable parking assist chimes for when you come in close proximity of objects. Security alarm and mobile remote access that enables you to control your vehicle from My Tesla app on your phone. The display settings let you manually control the brightness and the day or night setting of the touchscreen and instrument panel. When set to auto, brightness changes automatically between day and night based on ambient lighting conditions. When auto adjust is checked, the displays are further adjusted based on both the surroundings and by learning your preferences. Clean mode disables the touchscreen momentarily for cleaning purposes. Simply press on the brake to re-engage the touchscreen. Power management puts your vehicle into an energy-saving mode to consume less energy when not in use. HomeLink settings let you connect up to 3 of these devices to be controlled by your Tesla via an RF radio frequency signal, including garage doors, gates, lights, and security systems. To create a HomeLink, enter the name of your device. Touch Create HomeLink and follow the instructions for placing your RF remote in front of the car to scan for the RF signal. Once your signal has been memorized, you can now activate these systems by touching the HomeLink icon at the top of the touchscreen. The driver assistance enables features that provide a safer and more convenient driving experience. If your vehicle is equipped with driver assistance components, Autopilot features can be enabled. With Autopilot, you can enable auto steer, auto lane change, and summon. Summon allows your vehicle to park and unpark in your garage in coordination with HomeLink to open or close your garage. Adjust settings to enable narrow spaces and stop distance preference. Lane Assist provides side collision warnings and lane departure warnings in your instrument cluster by vibrating the steering wheel. Speed Assist enables you to set a speed limit reminder via your display or a chime to let you know you're surpassing the speed limit of the road. You can make this setting relative or absolute and offset the speed to your own preference. Speed limit also affects the speed to which traffic-aware cruise control will default when engaged. Collision Avoidance Assist provides a forward collision warning that displays warnings when a frontal collision is considered likely. Additionally, you can enable or disable automatic emergency braking that occurs to minimize the impact of a collision. If you are in need of additional assistance, you can reach Tesla support at 844-248-3752.